Hello, guys. So, I am again at this mesmerizing Talzai forest, and today's workout plan will consist of cardio and upper body. So, ज़रा अच्छी सी पीसफुल जगह ढूंढते हैं वर्कआउट के लिए. लेट्स सी. Okay, so this is the place. Look at the landscape. Amazing. Peaceful it is. Okay, so all set. Let's start with warm up.
will do skipping.
Today I'm not carrying my yoga mat. It is heavy and I also want to run. So I am using these half gloves. So this will protect me from the dirt and stones on the ground. So I've got this from Amazon. Okay, then let's start. So today we'll be focusing on upper body. So I'm starting with T push-ups. I've done 3 sets of 5 repetitions. These days I completely focus on body weight exercises rather than using any equipments. So अगर आप upper body कर रहे हो and without any equipments, so push-up is the best exercise. So I am doing variations of push-ups. जैसे मैंने पहले T push-ups किया, now I am doing single leg push-up. 3 sets of 5 push-ups on each leg. To train your shoulder muscles while you're doing upper body exercises is very important. So I've chosen to do pike push-ups, which will focus morely on my shoulder muscles. So I'm doing 3 sets and 10 repetitions in each set. Now I'm doing shoulder taps, 20 shoulder taps and 3 sets. So this is going to focus on my shoulder muscles and also my core. Now let's go for mountain climbers for 30 seconds and we'll do 2 sets of these. So total 1 minute. Remember to keep your back flat and your palms should be in line with your shoulders. Now I'll end the routine with 1 minute plank and then I'll go for a run. This was the best upper body and cardio workout routine. I am done with my trail run and now I am going to explore the forest. Let's go. This place is a real beauty. If you have not watched my Talzai Forest vlog yet, then please go and watch. I have covered most of the forest there. All the forest beauties, peacock, ducks, butterflies, and these trees and green landscape. This forest is very huge. So in my Talzai Forest vlog, I have tried to cover most of the part, but फिर भी लगता है कि कुछ रह ही जाता है. So today I am going to explore a different route which will guide me towards the main Talzai Forest gate. So let's see how the route looks like. So here is the sign. It says Talzai Mandir Gate Kade. So this will lead me towards the main gate of Talzai temple. So I'm going to take a right. Okay, so I've reached. So this is the main Talzai temple gate. सो सीधा हम गेट के सामने से निकले हैं. लास्ट टाइम अगर आप व्लॉग में देखेंगे, तलजाई फॉरेस्ट व्लॉग में, आई एम गिविंग द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. सो आप देख सकते हैं मैं इस साइड से आई थी, द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, and today I came from this side. So I have shown you a different route today. So subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos. And next time I'll show you a different route. So stay tuned. Bye bye.